Johannes Kepler once said that geometry existed before the creation, and he believed that his God, his Allah Ta'ala, is not just like any punishment or wrath or something. He believed that God is the creative power of the cosmos. We know mountains, right? Mountains are actually stabilize the earth. While earth is rotating in his orbit, mountains are actually shape the earth to not to destabilize. Now think about that. You hanging a ball with a rope and you want to stabilize it, and for that you put some weight on the surface of the ball and you see the ball is stabilized. And you have to also calculate the volume to not to create the extra pressure on the surface. If the pressure is too much, the weight you already put on the surface will sink. So everything we see around us is actually precisely calculated, and also we can feel this from these verses of the Holy Quran. Like if I want to construct a building, I have to make an exact architectural design to make that happen. Think about Shah Jahan's Taj Mahal, how vast it is and how much architectural design and efforts to make that happen. Thousands of workers actually spent 22 years to make that. You already know it. And that wonders built with stones and human minds and efforts take 22 years. Now think about, you put a seed on the mud and a big tree spread its branches, give you flowers and fruits. Think about how much complex it will be to discover the geometrical patterns or design to make a tree.
तुझे हम दो सना ज़ेबा है प्यारे.
Now let's observe our eyes. We know that the light rays reflect our eyes and that's how we see. But the lens in our eyes, if any slight difference in the formation of lens make a huge difference to your visual experiences. So the lens is precisely designed on your eye and it's actually in that particular right place to give you the perfect visual experience. So also these things we can feel to read these verses of the Holy Quran. Maybe that's why Johannes Kepler once said that geometry existed before the creation, because he wanted to know what God minds actually. And that's why he studied science, but he unable to hold something on that. And there is a verse in the Holy Quran, it emphasizes